Guys, the idea behind this course is for you to just open your mind to look at the potentials, look at what you can do. Now the method I shared here, you can do it regardless of any niche you are. So whether you're in the beauty niche, whether you're in the dancing niche, whatever niche you are, you can literally just smuggle in certain things that we teach people how to make money. And now before you do that, just like what I've told you guys to go and research, okay, what are people doing, how are they using what they are doing to make money, how can you monetize what they are doing, how can you monetize any video, because now every video you copy and you repurpose or you edit to repurpose should be like a soldier that is going out to fetch you money. So it should be like a potential soldier that is going out to fetch you money. So what you're going to do is to get your affiliate link, and then you're going to link it. Now let me show you guys how you're going to arrange your affiliate link. If you come to your Hawkit app after you've registered and everything, after you become a member, you come to this your profile place, that your picture, you tap on it. So you come down to here where it says referral link. So this way you get your referral link that you're going to give to people that will come to you. So they're going to refer under you, and then you're going to get a commission. Now you're going to get a commission of 500 naira for each person that refers under you. So what you do is just copy. When you copy your link, you take it to any what's the name, any notepad that you have, but I recommend Google Keep Notepad. So you just paste it here. Let's paste it here, and let's call this our link, or links. Yeah. So let's go back now come to this platform. Let's go to Chrome. I want to show you a platform. Tap link here, tap link. So now you're going to sign in or register with your free account. Just start for free or register with your Google, and you'll come down to select the form of link that you want. That is the page of link. So whoever is going to tap on the link is going to take them here. So let's just select anyone. Let's select this one. So this is where you're going to arrange all your links. So let's now come down. Let's say this. Let's tap here, choose. Okay, tap on choose this. So now this is where you're going to add everything. Okay, here you're going to edit everything, just showing you an example of what you're going to do. Let's say my blog. So what you're going to do here, instead of my blog, you're going to edit it to say so then here, let's take action website, leave it at website. Then here, this is where you're going to drop your link, your Hawkit link. You paste it here, so you can see it here. Then you save change. So see this place that says about me. Here you can now put your WhatsApp number there. You just tap on it, about me. You can just put chat me on WhatsApp. I don't want this video to be too long. Chat me on WhatsApp. And then here where it says action, you're gonna put on call, or send SMS. Let's first put on call, and then here you're going to now put in your number, and then you're going to now save it. After you've put in your number, you now save it and cancel it. Now go back. Now after you've saved everything, this place is going to show you 3, and it's now giving here, it's going to show you 3. I don't want to complete it, so it's going to show you 3. Then you're now going to tap on publish. Now when you publish your site, that link, you can now copy the link of the site, because when you copy the link of this site, and whoever taps on the link that you've copied on this site will bring them here, and from this place they can now get access to all your links, maybe to chat on you on WhatsApp, or to tap on this link and then get to you. So I've copied your link, you come here. I don't have up to 1k subscribers, so if you have up to 1k followers, you will now have the opportunity to put in link. But now that you don't have it, all you can do here is you can now go to edit profile, and then what you're going to do in this bio here is to type your phone number. So you literally type your phone number 00657. You type your full phone number. You can reduce this the biography, and type your full phone number, and then you're now going to save it. So then your phone number is going to appear there, so that everybody is going to see your phone number here where they are seeing this biography here. So they are going to see your phone number, and that will make it. So when you're making the video, you're going to always kind of link them. You're going to link them to check your phone number on your bio, or you're going to put your phone number on the video when editing your video, just like how I've shown you guys how to edit the video. Like your phone number here. So how to put your phone number, or how to just put contact me with this phone number. All you're going to do is to tap on this text here. Then you see this text here, you're just going to tap on this plus, this add text. When you tap on the add text, it's going to give you provision to add text. Let's just do add text. You can see it. So here, this way, you're now going to type in your number, and then you can just put all the information that you want to put here. Maybe check my bio, or chat me here, just like what you're seeing here now on this number. So this thing is point blank. It's simple, guys. All you have to do is to keep on researching certain videos that you think is lucrative. You think this video has potentials of gaining you money. You repurpose those videos. Sometimes when you have to edit them, and then you propose them and post them continuously. And you always refer people to maybe text you on WhatsApp for you to teach them. Guys, do not cheat anybody, do not scam anybody. I'm not teaching you to scam anyone, I'm not teaching you to cheat anybody. All that I'm telling you is a strategy that you can literally see what people are doing. I've literally shown you, and you can implement these strategies, and with time you're going to see growth. Guys, I bet you guys, if you implement this thing for 1 month continuously on a TikTok channel, you're going to definitely see results, because people need help. People need to show them how to make money. So you're going to do the job by making researches on how you can help people. You can show people how to make money, and then you're going to gain money from doing that. I just hope this course was helpful and you learned a lot from it.